Hey Dak, you got that backing track? Turn it on. Oh yeah. Go ahead, pump it up.
Welcome to Deviant Customs, the uncut version. By all accounts, this past month in the run-up to SEMA should have been one of the most exciting times in my life. I've been working on this project for more than 2 years now, and it's finally coming to fruition on the national stage. Truth is, this past month has been probably one of the toughest in my life. About a month ago, I decided I would build up my Accord wagon, a project car I bought 2 years ago, into a camping car with the kids' input. It served me well as a build support vehicle, a kid and stuff hauler, and most recently as a loaner to a former intern who used it this whole summer and found a new girlfriend in the process. 5 minutes after I picked up new wheels for it, the timing belt snapped and bent the valves in cylinders 2 and 3, and while troubleshooting, I got my compression tester hose stuck in cylinder 4. The next day, a good friend at work got let go with no warning, which hit me hard. And this was the day before I released the previous episode. The following weekend, without the Accord, I had to drive my non-AC Civic to San Diego to join my family on vacation. The trip south actually went okay, and then I made my way back on the following Monday, stopped by EV West, and checked out all the cool conversions currently in progress at the shop. And just a quick aside for them, they are seriously cool and friendly, with Chris giving me an impromptu tour of the shop, and Merritt talking me through options for the Trickster, whereupon I realized it would cost me closer to 30 grand, rather than 20 grand that I've been hoping. But anyway, after leaving EV West, the Civic's clutch gave out in LA, where it remains to this day. To make lemons out of lemonade, I had an hour to kill before leaving the Civic and catching my flight home from Burbank, so I proceeded with the original plan to visit the Peterson Museum in LA, which definitely did not disappoint, and I totally recommend it. Right around this time, I started to fall ill after dealing with 3 weeks of insomnia, both of which continued to bug me. I simply had to cut down the number of improvements planned for SEMA, which basically meant focusing just on cleaning out the bed and the window. I cut a new acrylic rear window at work, using the old one as a template, and this time I needed to do better than using bits of tape to stick it in. So I took a page from the pros and used urethane adhesive to stick the entire rim of the window to the bulkhead. Using masking tape and the back of an X-Acto knife, I laid down a nice bead of black silicone around the edge. I called upon my old friend John to help me cut vinyls, and made decals for the rear window to advertise my new YouTube channel and make my sponsors happy. The latest bit of drama involved the transport company I'm using to bring the car to Vegas. Apparently, the broker didn't make sure that the driver understood I was near SF and not LA, where the driver was. That's 300 miles apart for you international viewers. With a further delay in Bakersfield on another drop-off, they didn't pick up the car until 1:30 a.m. last night, or this morning. Hopefully, it's currently on its way to LA in one piece. But here's a PSA, don't use Guardian Auto Transport. Well, that's all I got for this episode, so I just want to finish this up and spend what time I have with the family before my flight leaves for Vegas this evening. The next time you see me, I'll either be happily reporting what went down at SEMA, or I'll be happily driving around a new Kia Stinger that I bought from the insurance money after wrecking the Prelude, because that's how things have been going lately. Until then, this is Deviant Customs, over and out.
It's not about what they want, you just gotta walk your walk. I wish I wasn't so dang sweet, so dang sweet, so dang sweet.